How to set up hotkeys on OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can set up hotkeys on OBS, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to set up hotkeys on OBS, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, if you don't know what hotkeys are, there are simply some of the shortcuts that you can use to do a certain task inside of OBS. To set it up, first of all, navigate to settings from the bottom right of the screen here. And as you do that, you'll find this little pop-up where on the left hand side, you'll find hotkeys. Now here you can see for start and stop streaming, for stop streaming, discard delay, for start recording. You can select that and press a certain key that you would like to make it function to start streaming. So let's say I want to start streaming whenever I press the F1 button. So I will select F1 over here. And I want to stop streaming whenever I select the F2 button. I will select the F2 button here. If I want to start recording whenever I press, let's say, the F3 button, I can select F3. Similarly, if I want to stop recording when I press F4, I can select those options respectively here. And this way I should be able to set up hotkeys on OBS. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.